Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafted Corner. And I finally have figured out what I'm doing with all of these um, random parts and pieces for cutting dies. I'm going to do grab bags. They're $4 a piece, okay? So this is A, and it's mostly like, this one is like all flowers. Okay, I just put them in there. They're all flowers. Um, they're kind of, I think this one's probably about 4 inches long. There's some layered ones in here. $4 for, and it's A. These are all $4. I'm not going to keep telling you that. It's A. B. B is this one, which is just a bunch of random stuff. There's some Christmas stuff in here, some doves, candy canes. Looks like maybe wedding rings, or if you cut that part off, it could just be some cherries. There's also a box die in here that will make a little box kind of thing. I think this might actually be, I haven't cut it out, but it could be like a gift card holder. You'd have to cut it out and find out. That's B. C is this one. It is just a lot of words and numbers. So, like it's like enjoy, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. It's got a bunch of different, there's a couple of different fonts of numbers in here. It's a boy, it's a girl, that kind of thing. But it's basically holiday stuff, okay? So that one is C. D is this one. It's got a giant gift box in it. And then it's got a bunch of little random pieces. There's a bow in there, a bunch of hearts. And then this one here that says happy birthday. But the happy birthday part is, the happy birthday to you part was missing. So you get the flowers still. And I put like 2 extra happy birthdays in there. Different ones that you can use with it. But I thought that was cute with the little gift box. It's not a dimensional, it's just a flat box, but it's still a box. Okay, and then this one is like all banners. That is D. E is this one. It's like all banners and stuff and tags. And then there's this box one in here. And I believe on this one you cut 2 and glue them together and it makes a box, okay? So that is E. F. F is this one. It's all squares and rectangles, okay? So it's actually, there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of this one, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of this. Then there's like a kind of a quick 6 pieces of that one. And then there's a couple of other ones in here, like scalloped and straight. And then there's this one run piece in there. That's F. G is this one right here. And this one again is just like squares and rectangles, but these are a little bit more froofy. There's a couple of pieces of this in here, this one. And then there's like this whole set of these bubble ones. It was missing one piece, but it's all in there, okay? Except that one piece. So that's G. H. H is this one right here. Again, there's one of those gift box things in there, and then this one is like, labels, but they're bigger ones, And there's a whole bunch of those in there. That's H. And then the last one I have is this one, which is I. And this is all circles and ovals, and it's different kinds of circles and ovals. I have no idea how many pieces are in there. 1, 2, 3, I don't know. They're all probably like 8 to 10 pieces, give or take. So that is I, all right? So very quickly, I'll do this one more time. A is all flowers. B is like a mix of stuff, holiday stuff, and that what I think is a gift card holder. C is all words and numbers. D is the gift box and mostly hearts and happy birthdays. E is the banners and the one box. F is all of the rectangles and squares. G is all the fancies, little borders and stuff. H is all of the like label kinds, the big label kinds, and a gift box. And I is all of the circles and ovals, okay? So if you want one of these, just send me the letter. $4. If you have an outstanding order with me right now, I will, of course, add it in to save on shipping, okay? And no, nothing has been shipped yet, because today was the day it's all going to the post office, so nothing has been shipped yet. So if you would like one, just reach out and let me know. You can reach me via email, instant message, or just put it in the comments here, you know. All right, until the next time, stay well. Bye.